Welcome to the Garage USA. So last weekend was my birthday, and to commemorate the successful completion of my 46th trip around the sun, I was showered with gifts and cake and food. And so I'm going to go through some of the gifts that I received last weekend. And actually, they're pretty cool. I'm going to start out with this 1970 Chevy Camaro. Hot Wheels did a really good job on this casting. It looks real nice. It looks, it looks like the real thing. I would probably add some more details to it. Maybe paint the grille, paint the headlights, do the same to the back. This will be a car that I will definitely be adding, maybe try painting those bumpers too. Front bumpers could be chrome. So we'll see. There's a lot of things I can do with this, but this is one of the gifts that I received. Let's move on to the next one, which of course, if you have a Chevy, you gotta have the Ford. This is a 2015 Ford Mustang GT convertible. Again, another Hot Wheels, another really nice casting. I'm not really a Ford guy, I prefer Chevys, but it's got some nice detail. Someone tried to draw my arm on there. Nice rendition. But it's a decent casting. The wheels are nice. It's got some nice color to it. But I will definitely be adding some details to this. Then I've got this. My trucks. I'm actually going to open this up so we can take a look at these. Alright. So the first truck in here is the Volkswagen Caddy. These were popular in the 80s. They don't import them anymore. I don't think Volkswagen makes them anymore. Nice little truck. This will go with my Volkswagen collection. And again, this will be something that I'll probably return to look at and, do some custom work to it. Nice looking wheels. Looks like the it's got the little California roof on it. I don't care for the chrome. I'll probably paint that. And that looks like maybe a skateboard on the back. So, anyway, nice truck. A lot of potential here. Let's look at the next truck. This is a custom 56 Ford. And it looks alright, it kind of looks like that other Ford as far as the colors go that I got at the garage sale a few weeks ago. Decent. Again, I'm not really a Ford guy, so again, they did the chrome in the bed. I don't know what I think of that. I might have to do something to this one. The engine sticks out of the hood, or the blower anyway on the engine sticks out. That looks cool. I like what they did with the front grille, the headlights. Again, there's work that could definitely be done to this, but overall, nice looking truck. Mattel loves to build these, or Hot Wheels, or whoever. I guess Mattel is the parent corporation, but so it's a sandblaster. It's a truck. It's a custom truck. Not really a huge fan, so there it is. This is one of my favorite looking trucks. It is a Chevy C10. I believe it's a 66. You know, when I was growing up, a lot of the guys drove these. They were around. I've seen a lot of them. Usually they were just old farm trucks, but I've always liked the stance. I've always liked the look of this body style on this particular pickup. Again, it is a Chevrolet, so, you know, I'm probably biased because it's a Chevy, so. But it's a nice looking truck. And the next one up is a Chevy Silverado extended cab. It looks like a 2015 or something. Nice looking truck. I had a 98 extended cab Chevy. So, you know, again, I'm biased, but I like it. You know, I also had an 06, I think, was the crew cab that I had. But not a bad looking truck. I don't care for the wheels. I don't like that they slammed it. I don't think a truck should be a low rider, my opinion. So, but it's a good looking truck. Alright, next we have this, which is not a real vehicle. Hot Wheels calls it Fandango. So, if you can tell me what a Fandango is, Chevy, Ford, Toyota, GMC. Anyway, let's take this out of the box. So this is part of the chess set. They are making chess pieces, or made chess pieces. I have some of them. This is a Rook. So, I am collecting the Hot Wheels chess pieces. I have other ones, and I'll do a video on that too. I've got a couple of different pawns. I've got a rook. I've got a knight. I don't know if I have... I don't know if I have the queen. I might, but I don't think I do right now. Kind of a unique thing. I was at the store the other day, and I noticed now that they have the white chess piece cars kind of starting to circulate. So, will I own both sets? I don't know. Maybe I'll make a chessboard out of some, you know, tiles or something and set up all my cars for my chess set. I don't know. We'll see. But kind of cool looking. Does kind of look like a, I don't know, maybe a Chevy, like an S10 Blazer or something. I don't know. What do you think? Then we have this lovely, lovely thing that I got. It is the Volkswagen Transporter T1 truck with the Porsche 356 Speedster. I have not seen the 356 Speedster available all by itself. So, you know, whether it's only available in this pack, I don't know. But it sure is cool looking, so I got this. And we will take a closer look at this when I go through the Porsches that I have in my collection. Another one that I got is the Porsche 918 Spyder. Again, nice looking car. I'm going to take this one out. It's a nice looking car. you know, convertible, mid-engine. It's got some good looks to it. So this is a car that I would actually drive in person, like a real one. Very cool. Well, I'd drive that 356 too, but this one I could see in my garage. All right, the next one is a car that my daughter got me. And yes, I have never had these M2 machines. Don't know anything about them, but it is the satin pink 1970 Chevy Camaro Z28. It's a very nice car, nice casting, looks good. It's screwed down to the base, it looks like. So I'll go over this one again with more details. But again, nice looking car. And thank you, Sierra, for this one. This one's really cool. And yeah, I can like a pink car. And then the last car that I got is a Batmobile. And this is a Hot Wheels. And it is the larger, usually I get the 164th or 167th or whatever the heck size they decide to make them. This is a larger scale. I don't normally collect the bigger ones, but it's cool. I mean, it's the Batmobile. It's the original Batmobile. So you can't go wrong with that. You know, it's got great details in there. You know, the front, let's see what the front, interior looks good. This one I'm going to try and leave in the package. This is just a really nice looking car. Again, the details on it, got the little bat logos on the rims. You know, just a lot of cool stuff in here. I can't see everything through my camera. But yeah, like it a lot. So I hope you'll join me for this series of videos. If you have any questions or if you'd like to contact me, send me an email at thegarageusa@gmail.com. And if you enjoyed the video that you just watched, go ahead and like and subscribe. Also, what are some of the cars that you've received as gifts over the past year? Leave a comment below. Thank you for watching.